asuntoskeuttiö Kuohuovi Myllystenpohjantie 27 ja Kangasala.
Finland. 4 persons or 320 kilograms. This is a Kone. Kind of rare because mostly there they are Valmislier.
Yeah.
In the Pirkanmaa region near Tampere. As Valmet is from Tampere.
Yeah.
But here they chose Kone instead.
Yeah.
Built in 1974, turning 45 years old in 2019 this year. H32292 with 7 floors. It's going to be inspected in 2021. So it got inspected now when it was turning 45 years. On the 20th of March 2019. There are 2 basement floors. Maintained by Kone.
Not inspected by QA inspect.
No dollar is lemon yellow.
Yeah.
No, all the other ones are wooden.
Preface Finnish Myllystenpohjantie 23D, not Kuohuvarjantie. That's